Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, what's good? What's poppin'? Your girl Shay is here with a snow crab boil. This is a spicy snow crab boil from my girl Carlene over at Carlux. Y'all know I love her cooking. As you guys can see, it is seasoned to the T, baby. Okay, so we have our drink, which she provided me with a Sunkist orange. I haven't had a Sunkist in so long, y'all, so let's pour this out. All right, y'all. I forgot to say what's good, what's poppin'. I'm gonna tell y'all the truth. I barely made it today. Yeah. It's just, yeah. I barely made it today. Just know that, okay? Let's snack. I also have some Scotch bonnet pepper here. If you're new to my channel, Scotch bonnet pepper is literally a hot sauce made from only Scotch bonnets. She put green beans in her boils, and I love that she do that because it's so good with the seafood. So refreshing. Wait. Y'all know it's Mental Health Monday. I was just watching Dane. He was doing a live seafood boil. And that seafood boil went left real quick. But he mentioned my Mental Health Mondays, and I was so grateful for that. Because somebody was in there talking about how they were suffering from severe depression. It's just trying times, y'all. So much going on. I hate when they don't just come out. Just slide out, baby. I may look a little washed out. I do not put some face powder on. I got me some ginger back here. Do y'all see all that seasoning? Ooh. Keisha, if you watching this, I know you jealous. But I can't wait for my It's One sauce to come. That sauce so good, y'all. Let me tell you what I like. I like that everybody who come out with a sauce definitely make their sauce unique to them. Like, don't nobody's sauce taste like nobody else's. Period. So how y'all doing? I don't know if I asked y'all that. What's been on your mind? What's been on your mental? What you been, ooh, that was juicy. What you been going through? What you been holding in? What do you need to process? Oh, and before we get close to the end of the video, I know all y'all don't make it to the end. I am having a giveaway. You do have to be subscribed to my channel, my Instagram. I'm doing a giveaway with hot sauce SHERO. So you have to also be subscribed to her channel and her Instagram. If you go to my community tab, I will have all of the instructions there. You go to my Instagram, you will see all the instructions there as well. It's gonna be 6 winners. So 6 of y'all gonna get the summer mango blaze hot sauce for the free ski. So for free, y'all get to try it out and see how bomb it is. And the reason why you have to have Instagram is we gotta be able to DM you. But somebody asked about email. I mean, if you really don't have no Instagram, just enter the YouTube post. And leave your email if you really don't have no Instagram. But everything is until Monday. Let me see what the card is. I don't know what my neighbors be doing upstairs. Request the best. You've paid your dues and you've earned your upgrade. Request, accept, and appreciate the best life has to offer. Don't settle for less. Request the best. Oh my gosh, y'all. Baby, that's so true. Because you know how, especially when you mentally going through some stuff, you need some solid A1 people around you. You know, like, you don't need nobody that's flaky. So imagine when you okay and you thriving, the same will apply. It's just like, every other facet in our life, you know. You know, when it comes to mental health, I think that we tend to forget that we need it. We need that mental peace. Right? Think about people like flashy cars. They like name brand stuff, right? Designer, fancy restaurants. People like all of that stuff, right? Luxury cruises. But when it comes to your mental health, you taking the generic way out. You talking to people who may not even be helping your mental health. Hanging around people that make you feel miserable. Just like we like nice things and nice homes, cars, we need to want nice mental health too. All right, luxury mental health, right? We can't want upgraded everything else. You want to upgrade your car, your house, your spouse, your business, your job, but you ain't upgrading your mental. What do you think you're gonna be when you have all those upgraded things? And mentally, you haven't upgraded yourself. You're not gonna be happy. You're gonna be miserable. You may be depressed. You may have anxiety. You may be paranoid about the people around you. Let me get this corn. Let me get this. I don't know what I want to bite. Sis don't know what she want. Excuse me. You got to upgrade your mental. Upgrade your support system. Upgrade what you are requesting from people in your life, in your circle, in your friends. Today I caught up with my with one of my close friends. Shout out to Vay. She's a therapist as well. We haven't seen each other since February. My birthday, because of, you know, COVID. But we are kind of going down the update of what's going on in our lives. And I was telling her, I was like, since my cup was empty, I was still pouring into other people and my cup was empty. And I was like, we as therapists, we teach people to put them first, put themselves first, right? But then here we are struggling to put ourselves first. And I was like, we gotta practice what we preach, you know? I tell y'all all the time, I'm not perfect by a long shot. I have suffered in the past from depression. I get anxiety in certain situations. I used to have social anxiety when I was younger. Like, oh, my most recent depression was when my grandmother passed in 2017. Right. We all go through stuff. And we just got to make sure that we are constantly, if we're constantly upgrading our materialistic values and materialistic possessions in our life, we have to also upgrade us, our mental, our health. Otherwise, you won't be able to enjoy what you consider to be the finer things of life, because that may be different for other people to the fullest. Like, could you imagine going on a trip? And this is what I'm talking about. You gotta enjoy, I mean, you gotta upgrade those around you as well. Could you imagine going on a trip with some people that you really don't like? So here you are trying to upgrade, right? Socially, hanging out, traveling, going on trips, and then you with some people that you don't even like. Child, you gonna be miserable as heck on that trip. We gotta upgrade, not just surface level stuff. The people around us, our support system, but most of all, that mental. Woo, sinus is draining now. This is a snail from a Scotch bonnet that was in here. There was another one in here too, but we gotta take care of us in better ways. Excuse me. I think I'm a that's gonna be cut out. Definitely gonna cut that out. It's corn. Whoa. I know y'all see that, right? I should have saved some of my ginger for this one. Damn. Corn. That shrimp, no, it's good. Oh, I ain't finished this. I'm all over the place. Ain't it? Yes, sir. I can eat them on potatoes. Ooh. Got Swiss over because smacking. Ooh. These crab legs was a little small today. I just got spoiled because I was up there with Winnie, and the person who catered her release party, y'all, they had some big old crab legs. I'm talking about huge. I was like, where you get this from? The catering, at first he didn't want to tell me. I was like, bro, I ain't even from here. I ain't from here. Boom. Got another one right here. Woo. Shit, I'm a little full. I ain't even gonna lie. My gum close out, huh? Woo! Scotch bunny on my tongue. It's a little hot, y'all. It's a little hot. It ain't as bad as nowhere near that 2 times spicy sauce, y'all. After I did that challenge on Friday, y'all, I texted Ashley and told her I wanted to fight her. But, woo, I'm full, y'all. So, be who you are, be beautiful. Don't forget to take care of yourself, because what? Self-care matters. Shots out to our post notification person. Shots out to you, boo. Hey, shots out to you, boo. Hey, y'all, love y'all so much. Y'all are amazing. Please don't forget to check out the giveaway. The giveaway post, because I want y'all to win, okay? And if you don't want to wait to win, I do have a 25% off. You can order now. Code is SHAI, okay? S-H-A-I. And the words of the beautiful Tabitha Brown. Y'all have the most beautiful day. Have the most beautiful week. And even if you can't, don't you dare go disturb nobody else's. I love you guys.